I've had phase of just consistently giving less and less fucks. Rice and men only? Oh, alchemy. Oh, that's alchemy. Teaching uni. なるほど. Nobody outdoors. I like the difference. In uni stream it says workout stream. In alchemy it says training future K-pop idol. We have better view in alchemy because you get to see the green screen. じゃあ Ricerman? Tech tourist isn't outside. I know. Even Mikey's playing games inside, yeah. So just raid whoever you want. I'm really tired. We don't even have to raid anybody. We can just go to sleep. What? Is it safe to play? Safe to play what, Wingmaker? She's not already. Oh, wait, she actually has songs? Anyway. Omakase. Up to you guys. Oyasumi Cutie, Oyasumi Buppy, Oyasumi Neko Boogie, Oyasumi Mr. Flatline, Oyasumi Wingmaker, Oyasumi Cutie, Oyasumi Mr. Flatline, Oyasumi Mr. Riders. EXP is outside, then EXPC. Whoever you want, I don't care. Oyasumi Moonjack, Oyasumi John Goldenflower, Oyasumi Iron Dragon, Oyasumi Grelo, Oyasumi Nawals, Oyasumi Life Canton. Oh, I'm so sorry. I saw you. I said hello, but I didn't reply. I can't read chat anymore. My eyes are so sore. Rafa, Oyasumi, Oyasumi Otoba, Oyasumi Mamu TV, Oyasumi Windmaker. Oyasumi Cyber Slapped. Had an AC break and the garbage disposal. Huh? You had broken things? Gomen? Oyasumi Samfist. Why not Alchemy Uni? I don't know. Who cares? Whatever. I don't know. I'm too tired. I leave it up to the raid. The mods. Oyasumi Swain, Oyasumi Cabron. たね。